Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use templates on CapCut PC. So in here, I've already on CapCut PC, but as you guys can see here on my homepage of CapCut PC, there is no templates shown in here. So if you want to use templates on your computer, you can just go to the CapCut PC online or CapCut on your browser. So just go to the CapCut.com and then just here try CapCut online, click at the top. Then you'll go to this page. So what you need to do is just click on the templates button here on the left panel. Okay, so in here you can see there are lots of templates that you can use. For example, you can just choose which one that you want to use here. Okay, I'm going to click on one of the templates here. So it will load in here, and after it's open you can just fill in the templates with your own photos or clips. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.